Hi, I'm Jess from Cook with Jess, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make simple pancakes for Shrove Tuesday, aka Pancake Day. Before you prep or start baking, make sure you have washed your hands. Now, to make these pancakes, you will need 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 eggs, 600 milliliters of milk, and 200 grams of plain flour. Now, first of all, you need to put all of your ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Okay, so I'm going to be using an electric whisk to mix all of my ingredients, but you can do it by hand. You want your batter to be a smooth and runny consistency. Oh, it still looks a bit lumpy. Let's keep going. Right, I think that looks ready. To cook your pancakes, you will need to put the pan onto a medium to high heat and add some more oil. So now my pan is hot enough, I'm just going to turn it down just a bit. Now take your ladle and put the mixture into the pan. Move the pan around so the mixture spreads evenly. When the edges come away from the sides, it's ready to turn over. Now I'm going to flip it. Perfect. Now do the same for the rest of your batter. Here's the end product of my pancakes. Now you can add all of your favourite toppings on top, and I hope they taste delicious. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn the notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Go follow us on Instagram at secular_productions. Bye!